We're gonna go see if it works.
Guys, we are in Columbus today for a doctor's appointment for this little dude who's still laying in the bed. What are you doing? Are you still sleepy? It is a very chilly morning here in Columbus. Let's see how cold it is out there. It was 2 degrees on the way up here last night. It is -4. Yeah, it's cold. But Daniel has an appointment with his lung doctor today, so we better get up out of here and get to that appointment. We got about 45 minutes before it starts. -1. It is freezing cold, isn't it, bub? I don't know that it's ever been -1 or registered never -1 on the car before. We are getting gas, and then we are headed to the doctor. Alright, we just got done at Daniel's doctor's appointment. Went really well. He weighed almost 34 pounds. I think he was almost 39 inches. Something like that. And the doctor was very pleased with him. He doesn't have to go back anymore unless, he has an issue or something. So he's graduated from the lung doctor here in Columbus. We still have a couple other doctors, so we'll still be making a couple trips here and there to Columbus, but won't be as many as it has been for sure. It is still freezing. It is warmed up to a warm 3 degrees out here. Daniel got a flu shot today, didn't you, bub? He was not too thrilled about it. Are you going to sleep? No, we're going to get breakfast. You want some breakfast? Yeah. No matter the cough, she said his lungs sound great, so we're going to get some breakfast and make this journey home today. Should be home, hopefully, it just got down to 2 degrees. Should be home around 2 o'clock or so. Hey, baby. So we've been home. Me and Daniel got home a couple hours ago.
Like 12.
No, it was more like after 2. And then, since we were gone so long, Daddy decided to take him a little nap. Daniel took him a nap. We were wore out from that big long trip. But since it's so cold outside, tell them what we're going to do, Phoebe.
While we're boiling water, we're going to take it outside and see if it actually freezes or something.
Frozes.
It freezes.
Yeah, we got water boiling on the stove. We're going to throw it up in the air and see what it looks like. See if we can get it on camera.
Yep. Wait, Bob will be throwing it up in the air.
Well, you don't just sit it outside on the porch.
Yep.
And I also seen online where people were blowing bubbles that were freezing. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah. We don't have bubbles though. Yeah, we do. We have tons of it.
Do we?
From the Christmas thing. Oh. I haven't seen bubbles, but I...
Phoebe and Molly just got done folding some laundry, doing some big girl chores.
Yeah.
We still have our tree up. We took all the ornaments off.
And we took everything down.
Except for the tree, because I thought we had a bag to put it in, but we don't. So I had to go buy one.
It's a good tree.
So long as we've ever had a tree up, we always take our tree down before New Year's.
Because he tells us to.
I don't like for the tree to stay up very long.
He doesn't like Christmas.
I like Christmas. I just don't like the tree to stay up for 100 years.
He's not staying up for 100 years. Can you guys guess what's coming up soon?
Oh. Tell them.
It's my birthday.
Molly is gonna be double digits.
10 years old.
Hard to believe.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what happened in there?
What happened?
What happened, baby?
She didn't wait on you to get the stuff out of the cabinet. Then she fell, stealing my stuff. Get her back. Oh, right on my picture.
Why didn't you wait on me?
Because I know I could do it. And I did do it. Well, yeah, why don't you just don't help me?
You is.
Let me help.
It's cold.
Phoebe lived. She just fell a little bit and hurt her back, but she's okay. So first we're gonna try to blow balloon or bubbles.
Balloons? I'll come freeze.
Blow bubbles and see if they freeze. It's not quite as cold as it was earlier today. I think it's about. Can you see that?
Can't get the thing out.
It's about 15 degrees, I think, right now.
It didn't freeze.
No, it didn't, did it?
Yeah, I need to blow it up.
So the bubbles are not freezing.
Maybe we should try the water.
So we're gonna try, since the bubbles aren't freezing, we got some boiling water
You know what's
inside.
freezing right now? My feet.
Your toes! She's wearing flip flops! She's crazy. She's got a big coat on and flip flops.
Listen, flip flops are still fashionable in this time.
I do like some flip flops. I don't like socks. So those bubbles are not. Let's see if I can catch one.
Here, Daddy, I'll see if you can get them. Ready?
Try that big one.
Here, let me see. Let me see it real quick. Let's just blow a little bubble. Catch it back and see if it'll freeze.
Yes.
It's not freezing, is it?
I'm gonna go in.
Okay, hurry up. My feet are freezing off, Daddy. I don't know. My feet are. Baby, I don't even dry.
Yeah, so that is not freezing. It must be need to be colder or out here longer. So we're gonna try the boiling water now.
The water was boiling. Hurry up! What if you get burnt? You know why I came in, Daddy? Because I saw a car coming.
She's scared. Okay.
All right, let's take it out there.
We're gonna go see if it works.
Yeah, no, I honestly have it coming out.
Well, because I'm supposed to be vlogging Daddy.
All right, you watching?
Uh-huh.
Can you see?
Mommy, come out
Mommy
here.
can't see.
Hurry up, it's going to go bad.
Oh! Whoa, it's steamy.
It froze, didn't it?
Look at that.
It might have froze.
Some of it did. Not a whole lot. I think some of it hit the ground. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not quite cold enough anymore. It was like negative. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna get a.
It stinks.
Oh yeah, it does smell funny. Let's go get a balloon and put some water in it, fill it full,
That'll definitely.
and then we'll show it to them tomorrow.
That'll bust.
Yeah. I don't know.
You probably have some upstairs that already have water in them. They're in my bedroom.
Oh, yeah, baby, let's go get a big one. Bigger
Yeah.
one. Bigger one.
Do you have?
Okay, I'll just.
You gonna throw
It
it?
smells like steamed broccoli.
That's where that water
No,
was
just throw it.
boiling.
Okay, just go ahead and throw it.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Bursted.
Okay, let's
We're gonna leave these balloons out here.
Where at?
Get your bucket, and we'll sit them in the bucket on the porch,
It's
and we'll
actually-
check on it in the morning, and we'll show them.
Okay, guys, so it's in the morning, and they came to school. But, Mommy went to a doctor's appointment. Daddy's at work. So we're gonna go. Well, right now we're at we're at our place, but my mom's watching us, and we're going to Jackie's now because my mom has an appointment at 1 and stuff like that. So yeah, and Mommy, I don't know where she is, but she's probably at the doctor's office still. But let's go see if the balloons froze. They stayed out here overnight.
Molly, why are you standing with the door open? We're not ready to go.
It's ready to go.
Shut the door, y'all.
We're seeing if the balloons froze.
It feels weird. Touch it.
Oh yeah, it's froze. It's froze. It's froze.
Ew.
Get the other one. What'd you say? But we don't know where they are.
Right here.
It froze, Mama.
Yeah.
It's like hard. Feel it.
Oh my goodness.
It feels so weird. And that one's like,
Ooh, it's like a solid ice.
this is gonna be my baby. That balloon's my baby.
It's freezing.
Did y'all shut the door back? It's like 0 degrees.
Yeah, we froze. Yeah. It's freezing cold outside.
But it froze, so that was a good one.
Yeah, it was awesome.
The balloons didn't work. The water kind of worked.
The water
Then
did
the
work.
balloons worked.
Yeah, these were success.
Yeah.
I wonder if Daddy will let us throw them later.
Hang on. No, we should cut one of them open. And I ain't sacrificing my blue baby.
Yeah, you are.
Well, then we shouldn't cut one open. We shouldn't have threw that one last night.
I just wanted to throw them.
Daniel
Look, this is just balloon.
is playing with
Look,
a Daniel Tiger
Here.
thing that he got for Christmas
turn this
from
around.
Mama.
Turn this around. Okay, look. It's not even. That's just balloon. Like, can you guys know?
Yeah, can you like?
That's just balloon.
Here, look. This right here is like
There's
solid.
an icicle in it.
It's like solid ice.
There's
It's like
ice.
a gigantic
it.
ice cube. And I love ice. It's basically
She'll
water.
probably eat it.
So.
Yep. See you guys
Later.
later.